Hi everyone, my name is Keith Brooks and this is Brooks Channel. And for today's video, I've got a new kind of cereal that I'm gonna try out. And it's going to be Cinnamon Pebbles. Got a box right here. Yeah, this is a new kind of Pebbles cereal that I haven't seen before. And I actually do like the Cocoa Pebbles. Yeah, that's the only kind I like that I know of. Not a big fan of the Fruity Pebbles, but maybe Cinnamon will be my second one, because I like cinnamon stuff. So, we'll give that a try today. So, without further ado, let's open up the box and put it in this bowl. Yeah, according to this, it's just sweetened rice with cinnamon. Pretty simple. Right. Plastic open real quick. There we go. Got a strong cinnamon smell right out the gate. That's good. Pour it in. A little more. That should be enough. Alright. Alright. I'll get some milk in there. Alright. That should be a good amount. Put that stuff away when I'm done. Alright. Spoon ready. Alright. I think it's a little crackle like the Rice Krispies. So, anyway, let's see how it tastes. Yeah. Alright, good start. Yeah, they definitely did not skip on the cinnamon. There's plenty on it. It's good so far. I think the cinnamon might get a little weaker once like the cereal hits the milk. At least that's what I'm feeling. Like really starts to soak in it. Yep. Right, almost done. There we go. Yeah, all done. Right, take a drink and my final thoughts. Okay. That tasted good. Yeah. As soon as I opened the bag, it had like a strong cinnamon smell to it, which I like. And like I said, they did not go light on the cinnamon on the cereal itself, because when I took the first bite, it had a strong taste to it. Kind of got a little weaker when it's soaked in the milk. After that, the milk itself got more of the flavor. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, but I don't mind cinnamon milk. It's like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But yeah, I'm comparing this to Cocoa Pebbles, which are my favorite. I would still prefer the Cocoa Pebbles. Yeah, but I think the cinnamon ones might become second. Still not a fan of Fruity Pebbles, though. Never got into that. But yeah, these are good, and I can see myself getting them again sometime. And yeah, that about covers it. Not much else to say, so I'm just gonna end the video here. And as always, please let me know your thoughts about this war in the comments. Have you ever tried any Cinnamon Pebble cereal before? And if you have, what do you think about it? And if you haven't tried it before, would you consider doing so after this? And with that, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.